Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up n8n workflows connected to Zapier for app automation, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up n8n workflows connected to Zapier for app automation, begin by logging into your n8n account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by visiting the official n8n website. Next, navigate to your n8n dashboard. Click on Create New Workflow to start building your automation. In the workflow editor, you will see a blank canvas. First, let's add a trigger node. On the left side, locate the node panel and search for the appropriate trigger. For this example, we will use the webhook trigger. Drag and drop the webhook node onto your canvas. Now, configure the webhook node. Set the HTTP method to post or get based on your needs. Copy the webhook URL provided by n8n. Next, it's time to set up your Zapier account. Log into your Zapier account or create one if you don't have it yet. In Zapier, create a new Zap by clicking on Make a Zap. Select the app that you want to use to trigger the Zap. Set the trigger event according to your selected app. Connect your account and proceed to the next step. In the action step, choose Webhooks by Zapier. Select the Post Action event. Paste the webhook URL you copied earlier from n8n into the designated field. Now, map any necessary data from your trigger app to the webhook fields in Zapier. Next, test the Zap to ensure it successfully sends the data to the n8n webhook. Return to n8n and execute your workflow to confirm that the data received is correctly processed. You can now add additional nodes to the workflow to perform further automations or actions. To do this, search for the desired nodes in the left panel and configure them accordingly. Once your workflow is complete, save and activate it. Return to Zapier and enable your Zap. You have now successfully set up an n8n workflow connected to Zapier for app automation. Test the entire flow to ensure everything works seamlessly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.